You used to run your finger through thick hair. Now your comb corrects what your scalp has lost. You are only 30 and your hair is vanishing. Why is this? Hair loss in your 30s is no longer rare. It is an epidemic. But the good news is there's a reason behind it, and there is something that you can do. Welcome to Wellness Health Services Health Talks. I'm Dr. Joshua Derito, a family physician. I have interest in public health and cancer prevention and treatment. In this video, we are going to look at what is hair loss and why it is happening very early. What are common signs of hair loss? What is happening to you in your 30s that is making you lose your hair? And what are some of the medical and lifestyle causes of hair loss? And how can we prevent this? So what is hair loss? Hair loss, also called alopecia in medical terms, is the process that there is abnormal hair loss from the scalp or other parts of the body. It can be gradual or sudden, it can be permanent or reversible, or it can be patchy or diffuse. All these are ways in which you can lose your hairs and the way it happens. Losing 50 to 100 strands a day is normal. So on a daily basis, you can lose 50 to 100 strands of your hair. And if it is more than that, then you need to act. So what are some of the common signs that you are losing your hair? You have a thinning crown or widening part of the hairline. We have a receding hairline. So if your hairline was coming up to this level, and you notice it's going backwards, then you are losing your hair. Then if you comb your hair and you find excessive presence of hair on your comb, or excessive presence of hairs on your pillow, or in your bathroom drains, then there is a problem. You are losing your hair. Then a see-through scalp in photos, which you didn't used to have. Then you need to think what is happening. Of course, there is the obvious patches of baldness on your head. So why are people losing hair in their 30s? And what is happening that we are losing hair younger than we used to? This is no longer just about aging. Here are some of the things that can make you lose your hair at a younger age. Chronic stress. If you have anything that causes you to be persistently stressed, like emotional trauma or burnout or poor sleep, persistently for a long time, then this can make you lose your hair. This is because there is a cortisol imbalance, which is a stress hormone, which affects your hair cycle and leads to hair loss. Then you have nutritional deficiencies. If you have deficiencies in vitamin B12, vitamin D, or zinc, and this can be common in young people and young adults, especially in fast lifestyle, or if your diet is deficient in these nutrients. Then you have hormonal imbalances. We have the polycystic ovarian syndrome in women, and also we have high testosterone in men. Then you can also have post-pregnancy hair loss, which is can happen due to postpartum stress. Then you have some autoimmune disorders like alopecia areata, or those people who have lupus. Lupus causes the thinning of the hair, and then the hair just disappears. Then we have some of the common other things that can cause hair loss, including hair styling and some of the chemicals that are used for the hair. These can be things like frequent bleeding, and especially with tension, tight weaves, use of dyes and relaxers can damage your hair follicles, leading to hair loss. Then poor scalp health. Things like dandruff, seborrheic dermatitis, and also some fungal infections can make you lose your hair. Then you have genetics. If your parents experience early hair loss, you may too. But lifestyle can accelerate or delay it. We usually say that genes load the gun, but environment pulls the trigger. So if you have the genes and then you're exposed to some of these things, then your hair loss accelerates. So what are some of the options that you have if you are losing your hair? One is medical. There are some drugs like minoxidil which can be used topically, and they help to stimulate your hair follicles and help in your hair regrowing again. Of course, we have finasteride for men, which blocks the high dihydrotestosterone levels and may help you to make your hair regrow. We have platelet release plasmas, which they use to stimulate hair regrowth. Sometimes we have steroid injection, especially for autoimmune patches, and then nutrition. So ensuring that you take diets that are rich in iron, zinc, biotin, and collagen can help your hair regrowth. Taking adequate omega-3s, and also taking anti-inflammatory diet like using turmeric, green teas can also help your hair. And then power smoothies like taking liver, moringa, beetroot, and spinach and ginger. Then you have topical treatments like onion oil, castor oil, rosemary oil, or aloe vera. Then scalp massages, which help to improve the blood flow to your scalp. Then you have lifestyle changes like reducing your stress through meditation, prayer, and also exercises. Limit heat and chemical styling so that you reduce the chances of your hair loss. Then how can you be able to prevent some of these problems before they start? Eating a balanced protein-rich diet, hydrate, making sure that you avoid dry scalps, which weakens your hair follicles. Massage your scalp daily. Trim split ends and avoid tight hair styles. Wash with sulfate-free shampoos and protect from the sun and harsh weather. So what is the best care for hair loss? It is early action. So your hair is not just about beauty. It is about identity, confidence, and health. Don't wait until your crown is gone to start caring. So like this video if you are ready to claim your hair. Share this with someone struggling silently. Comment, "I'm taking control," if you are starting your journey today. Know what lifestyle you need to change to reclaim your hair. Subscribe for weekly guides on reversing hair loss naturally and medically and maintaining your health. We meet in the next video.